Hi again. Now that we've discussed what historical growth is, let's dive into a simple example. So let's say that your customer tells you that they had 4,500 users 1 year ago and they have 5,000 users now. So that means that they grew by 500 users in 12 months, which is around 11% annually. And let's also say that the customer told you that they had 4,000 users 3 years ago and they have 5,000 now. So that works out to 1,000 users over 3 years, which is about 8% annually. So this would be a really good time to ask your customer, do you think that your future growth in the next 12 to 36 months is going to increase by 8% or more like 11%? Or maybe it's something in between, like 9 or 10%. So what we've been talking about so far are changes in quantities or usage. It's equally important to understand changes over the prior 12 to 36 months in the unit cost or unit price. So what was the unit price 12 months ago compared to now? What was it 36 months ago compared to now? And yes, your customer may not share that information with you if one of your competitors' solutions is in place. It doesn't hurt to ask, but you can also frame this question in terms of list price, which will still show the pricing trend that we're looking for. So all of this is going to help your customer start thinking about some things that they may not have thought about, and you're helping them to better understand their own situation, which is incredibly valuable. Another really important point with all this is that by you asking your customer and then providing the answers back, they're validating the answers that they're giving you, the information. And even if they have to make estimates or assumptions, it's always better that they're making those estimates or assumptions than you, the sales rep, are making those. So let's get into how this information can help you have a much more profound impact on your customer and your deal sizes and your deal win rates. So now your customer's provided either the actual or estimates for their prior historical growth, as well as what they think the future looks like. So now, instead of just giving your customer that point in time quote that they originally asked for, you have the information to give them and create options that they hadn't considered, let alone asked for, that better align to what their actual requirements are. And that could line up better to both their current and their future requirements. So in the next video, I'll go into more detail about how to use this information to create these game-changing tailored options. And just as my grandmother used to always say, winning doesn't suck. See you next time.